Hello everyone, welcome to another video. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe. Here in this video, I'm going to replace the air filter of Mercedes-Benz 264 engine. For this job, we need to remove the engine cover first and place to another side. And after that, we need to remove the air duct. For removing the air duct, we need to remove the this clip first. Just lift it using a sharp tool and take care of it when removing. If it is fall down to underbody, it will very difficult to find. So remove it carefully, and after that, just lift the air duct from the locks. Then remove it and place to another side. After that, I already loosed some of the screws and lift just kept the screws lifted, and I also remove these lock for the control unit and detach the sockets and wire harness. Also there is a electrical connector and already the electrical connector. There is another lock for the control unit. There are two locks for the control unit. Both are I disconnected both locks already. You can see here. Just I want to show you this screw, because this is a little bit difficult one to lose. Also it's little bit difficult to capture because see my camera fall down. After losing it, use a wedge to lift the screw. Just lift and loose 2 or 3 threads, and after that remove it. So we will get the screws as lifted. When lifting the air filter housing, just take care of this hose. Keep an eye on this hose. If it is broken, it's little difficult to replace also. Let's go into the starter area. After losing all screws, just lift the air filter also. Here you can see air filter already lifted. So when lifting the air filter, the top of the air filter housing will be free. So we can lift the air filter housing, but take care of the hose before I just show. And just turn the air filter housing for getting the space there. You can see the air filter housing already I turned and lifted. Also there is a vacuum hose bottom of the air filter housing. Just take care of the vacuum hose also, but there is no need to remove the vacuum hose. Fix the new air filter, and before fixing the air filter, just clean the area if there is any dust. When fixing the air filter housing, do the same procedure. Take care of the hose. Yeah, it's already fixed. Now I'm going to tighten all those bolts. This job we can finish in 5 minutes. It's not a big job. If you're doing every day, you can finish in 5 minutes. In this video, it's little bit lengthy because I am handling the camera also. So sometimes camera falling, and sometimes I cannot place it properly. That way, it almost 7 minutes. If I am doing without camera, it will be take only 5 minutes, below 5 minutes. tight all those bolts. There are 5 bolts, 5 screws. We need to tighten 5 screws. Now all screws are tightened. I'm going to fix the wiring harness which I removed before. Fix the electric connector, don't forget. Now you can see the hose not damaged. Always take off that hose. Somebody damaging it's rarely, not always damaging. Fix the cover top cover of the high pressure pump. Now fix the locks for the control unit. Also there is another one in the other side. Fix the second lock. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Please hit the subscribe button and share.